Hi, and welcome to episode 1 of Carpe Diem Sailing. My name's Marco. I'm a Sail Canada cruising instructor, and in this, our first video, I'm very excited to introduce you to our new channel. My vision for the channel is to be like a print magazine, featuring different departments and topics. There are many great sailing channels on YouTube, but I want to create something a bit different, so we'll be covering a broad range of topics, such as sailing instruction, maintenance tips, gear reviews, boat reviews, navigation, cruising destinations, and much more. I'd love your feedback, and I'm wide open to suggestions, so feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the little bell icon if you would like to be notified when we release new videos. I look forward to hearing from you and sharing a few valuable tips and tricks that might enrich your sailing experience. So till next time, I wish you all fair winds and following seas.